Hello everyone, and in today's video we will talk about Pictory. Pictory is an AI-powered video creation platform. It focuses on video editing and creation. It is easy to use and has a variety of video creation options. With being a great AI video creator, Pictory also has a great affiliation program. Pictory encourages you to help your audience by educating them how they can use Pictory to their advantage. As you share your knowledge and inspire innovation, you'll also earn, making the interactions profitable. If you write blogs and social media content, you should join the Pictory Partner Program. Help your audience create better videos. You get early access to new features and marketing opportunities above the affiliate commissions. They encourage content creators or editors to join to create better videos, even better experiences. Here are some frequently asked questions. What is it? It is a program that allows content creators to earn commissions from qualifying purchases of Pictory affiliate program, products and services. You can join it simply by clicking the Join Affiliate Program link. The commission rate ranges from 20% to 50% per sign-up. You also get a cookie duration of 30 days. With a growing user base, joining the affiliate program is the right choice. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.